Two friends, 15 lakhs each. 3 years later, only one of them is vacationing in Manali. Karan did everything right, at least it looked that way. Prime location, a designer interior, mood lighting, and an Instagram wall people actually stopped to photograph. Opening day was electric. The reels got shared. Everyone said the same thing. This place is going to take off. Then the real work began. Every single morning, Karan woke up wondering if enough people would walk through that door. New customers, always new customers, because yesterday's customer might not come back. He was filling a bucket with a hole in it, pouring everything in, watching it drain out by nightfall. Mahesh started something so boring that people laughed when he described it. Small office, 3 employees, a handful of signed contracts. That was it, but those contracts meant his customers paid him automatically, every month, without being chased, without being resold. While Mahesh watches the mountains in Manali, payment notifications buzz quietly on his phone. He built a tap. The water keeps flowing whether he's watching or not. That is the secret nobody talks about. Recurring revenue. Most people ask how much a business makes. Smart owners ask how many times that profit will repeat. Commercial cleaning companies, pest control services, vending machines, industrial laundries, equipment rentals, water ATMs, micro SaaS tools. None of these will ever trend. None will land you on Shark Tank. All of them generate predictable, repeating income month after month through long-term contracts and customers who never need convincing twice. The businesses people ignore are often the ones quietly making the most money. Wealthy people do not chase excitement. They build systems. Their businesses look boring. Their bank balances never are. So before you choose your next idea, ask yourself just one question. Will this pay me once or every single month?